गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम अपनी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल करेंगे। एग्जांपल नंबर 31 ये भी बेस थ्योरम पे है। इसमें है ए कंपनी हैज़ टू प्लांट्स टू मैन्युफैक्चर स्कूटर्स। प्लांट 1 मैन्युफैक्चर्स 80% ऑफ द स्कूटर्स एंड प्लांट 2 मैन्युफैक्चर्स 20% of the scooters. At plant 1 85% of the scooters are rated standard quality, and at plant second 65 out of 100 means 65% scooters are rated standard quality. अब आया number 1, what is the probability that scooter selected at random came from plant 1 if it is known that scooter is of standard quality? And number second, what is the probability that scooter selected at random came from plant second if it is known that the scooter is of standard quality? Now in notation form, let E1 E2 denotes the event that scooter is manufactured by plant 1 and plant second respectively. Again, let E denote the event that scooter is rated as standard quality. Now in our notations it is given that probability of E1 is equal to 80 by 100, probability of E2 is equal to 20 by 100, probability of E given E1 is equal to 85 upon 100, and probability of E given E2 is equal to 60 by 100. And we have to find probability of E1 given E and probability of E2 given E. Now हम फिर से एक ट्री डायग्राम बनाएंगे। ट्री डायग्राम, लेट एक प्लांट है तो E1 E E2 E E1 की प्रोबेबिलिटी जो है वो 80 upon 100, E2 इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है 20 upon 100, E गिवन E1 इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है 85 upon 100 एंड E गिवन E2 इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है 65 upon 100. Now event, we see E intersection E1, E intersection E2, probability of E intersection E1 is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E given E1, that is 80 upon 100 into 85 upon 100, which is equal to 6800 upon 10,000. Similarly, probability of E intersection E2 is equal to probability of E2 into probability of E given E2, which is 20 upon 100 into 65 upon 100, which is equal to 1300 upon 10,000. Total, that is probability of E is equal to 8100 upon 10,000. Now first part is probability of E1 given E, this is equal to probability of E intersection E1, that is this 6800 upon 10,000 divided by probability of E 8100 upon 10,000, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा upon 8100 which is equal to 0.84. सेकंड पार्ट है इसका probability of E2 given E which is equal to probability of E intersection E2, that is 1300 upon 10,000 divided by 8100 upon 10,000, तो ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन बन जाएगा अपॉन which is equal to 0.16. So probability that the scooter selected at random has standard quality came from plant first is 0.84 and scooter with standard quality came from plant second is 0.16. सिमिलरली बच्चों सेम एग्जांपल्स आपने बाकी वाले भी ऐसे ही करने हैं, तो और एग्जांपल्स के लिए आप मेरा चैनल जो है उसको सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू बेटा।